Hi everyone, it's Magda from Foyr, and today I'm going to show you how to create a floor plan. You have to be in 2D mode of your project, and we can use either wall or room tool. In the top left corner of your screen, you can click on File and set dimensions. You can choose between feet, inches, meters and millimeters. Now we click on Wall tool and start drawing our floor plan. If you want to start at any other point, just click on Escape. And now you can start anywhere else. Now all we need to do is add doors and windows. And your floor plan is ready. We can also use the room tool. We click on room tool and start drawing rooms. Now again, what you have to do is place doors and windows. And we have floor plan ready. Hope that was helpful. Happy designing!